Welcome to Smart Label Print. Let's get started. How to use AI Label Studio tool. First off, visit smartlabelprint.com and log in with your email and password. Once logged in, scroll down on the homepage and find the AI Label Studio section. Click on Launch Free Studio. Welcome to AI Label Studio. On the left you have your action sidebar with all the tools, and on the right is your live label preview canvas. First, go to Canvas Setup and select your label size. I am using 50 by 25 mm for this demo. You can set any size based on your requirements. Now from the tool cabinet, click on Text to add a text element. It will instantly appear on the preview. You can drag it anywhere using your mouse, or use the arrow keys on your keyboard to position it precisely. To change the text value, simply double-click on it in the preview, or type your value directly in the text box on the sidebar. From the sidebar you can change the text color, background color, and adjust the background thickness by moving the blue dot. You can also change the font style and set the text alignment right here. When done, click outside the preview to deselect. Now back to the tool cabinet, click on Barcode to add it to your label. You will be prompted to enter a value, and you can also define it as a variable, which will allow you to populate it with data from a CSV file later for bulk printing. Choose your barcode type, code 128, EAN13 or EAN8. Enter the correct value and the barcode will appear instantly on the preview. I am selecting EAN8 here and entering the right value. As you can see, the barcode is now visible. Adjust its size and position as needed. You can also add a QR code from the tool cabinet and place your brand logo right in the center of it. Or you can directly inject your logo onto the label and position it wherever you like. Made a mistake? No problem, just click the undo button to go back to the previous step. Once your label design is ready, click Save. Give your label a name and a unique SKU ID, then click Save to store it. After saving, click the Go to Spooler button to head to the print page. On the print page, enter the unique SKU ID you assigned to your label and click Search. Your label preview will appear instantly. Click Print Session to print it, or enter a quantity to print multiple copies of the same label. Now if you want to print 500 or 1000 labels with different data from a CSV, you need to define your text and barcode elements as variables. If you download the sample CSV right now, you will notice only the quantity header is visible. That is because no variables have been defined yet. Go back to AI Label Studio, click Open, and load your saved label. Now define your text element as a variable and do the same for the barcode. Save the label again. Come back to the print page, search with your SKU ID again. Now download the sample CSV. You will see the new variable headers are now visible. Fill in your data row by row, color values, barcode values, and all other fields. Save the file and upload it. As soon as you upload, the entire CSV data reflects in the label preview, every row, every label, ready to print. Hit print and all your labels will be generated in one go. I hope this helped you understand how to use the AI Label Studio, from designing your custom label to printing in bulk. Go ahead, design your label your way and start printing at scale. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I will be happy to make more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy labeling!